Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Choosing the right tools is crucial for ethical hackers. The effectiveness of their work often depends on the software and hardware they use. A powerful operating system is the foundation of their arsenal. It provides the necessary environment to run various security tools and scripts. While Kali Linux is widely known, a lesser-known OS surpasses it in several key areas. This operating system offers unique features that can enhance an ethical hacker's capabilities. This essay delves into the world of Parrot OS, an operating system that offers a compelling alternative to Kali Linux. Parrot OS is designed with security and privacy in mind. We'll explore its exceptional features, compare it to Kali, and understand why it might be the secret weapon ethical hackers have been searching for. Join us as we uncover the potential of Parrot OS in the realm of ethical hacking. Developed by Frozenbox, Parrot OS is a Debian-based Linux distribution specifically designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and security auditing. It's a versatile OS that caters to a wide range of security professionals, from beginners to seasoned experts. Parrot OS comes in various editions, each tailored for specific tasks. The Security Edition, for instance, is perfect for penetration testing, while the Home Edition provides a secure and privacy-focused environment for everyday use. What sets Parrot OS apart is its focus on providing a complete and powerful toolkit while maintaining user-friendliness. It's an OS designed by ethical hackers for ethical hackers, ensuring that it meets the real-world demands of the field. Parrot OS boasts an extensive collection of pre-installed hacking tools, surpassing even Kali Linux in its breadth and depth. This makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals in the cybersecurity field. These tools are categorized for easy access, covering everything from information gathering and vulnerability analysis to exploitation and post-exploitation. The intuitive categorization helps users quickly find the right tool for the job, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Whether you need to perform a network scan with Nmap, which is essential for mapping out network vulnerabilities, analyze website vulnerabilities with Burp Suite, a powerful tool for web application security testing, or crack passwords with Hashcat, one of the fastest password recovery tools available, Parrot OS has you covered. The OS also includes tools for cryptography, digital forensics, and reverse engineering, making it a comprehensive platform for all your ethical hacking needs. These tools are crucial for tasks such as securing communications, investigating cybercrimes, and understanding malware behavior. This extensive toolset saves ethical hackers valuable time and effort by providing them with everything they need right out of the box. No more tedious installations or configurations. They can focus on the task at hand without having to spend hours searching for and installing individual tools. This streamlined workflow allows for more effective and efficient ethical hacking, ultimately leading to better security outcomes. Parrot OS shines in its user experience. Built on the Mate desktop environment, it offers a familiar and intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for those new to Linux. Customization is a key strength of Parrot OS. Users can tailor the desktop environment, install additional software, and configure the OS to their liking. This flexibility allows ethical hackers to create a personalized workspace that maximizes their efficiency. The OS also provides various themes and color schemes, allowing users to personalize their experience further. This focus on user experience makes Parrot OS a joy to use, even during long hacking sessions. Section 5. Performance and Security, a cut above. Parrot OS is known for its impressive performance. Being a lightweight distribution, it runs smoothly even on older hardware. This makes it an ideal choice for ethical hackers who need a responsive system for resource-intensive tasks. Security is paramount in Parrot OS. The OS is regularly updated with the latest security patches, ensuring that users are protected from emerging threats. It also includes various security-focused features, such as a hardened kernel and a firewall pre-configured for optimal protection. Parrot OS utilizes a sandboxed environment for running potentially dangerous applications. This isolates them from the main system, preventing any potential damage. This combination of performance and security makes Parrot OS a reliable and trustworthy platform for ethical hacking. Section 6. The power of community. Behind Parrot OS is a vibrant and active community of developers and ethical hackers. This community plays a crucial role in the OS's development, providing support, sharing knowledge, and contributing to its ever-growing toolset. The Parrot OS forum is a valuable resource for users of all levels. It's a place where they can ask questions, seek help with tools, and engage in discussions about ethical hacking. This strong sense of community ensures that users have access to the support they need. Whether they're facing a technical issue or simply looking for advice, the Parrot OS community is there to help. Section 7. Beyond the OS, essential skills for ethical hackers. While having a powerful OS like Parrot OS is essential, it's only one piece of the puzzle. Ethical hackers must be proficient in various operating systems, as each has its own strengths and weaknesses. This knowledge allows them to choose the best tools for the job and adapt to different environments. Ethical hackers need a diverse skill set to succeed in their field. This includes not only technical skills, but also soft skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and effective communication. These skills help them to understand complex systems and collaborate with others. A strong foundation in Linux and Unix is crucial, as it forms the basis of many hacking tools and techniques. Mastery of these operating systems enables ethical hackers to navigate and manipulate systems efficiently. Proficiency in programming languages like Python, C, and JavaScript is highly beneficial. These languages are versatile and widely used in the cybersecurity field, allowing hackers to write scripts, automate tasks, and develop custom tools tailored to specific needs. These languages are used for scripting, automation, and developing custom hacking tools. Automation is particularly important as it allows ethical hackers to perform repetitive tasks quickly and accurately, freeing up time for more complex analysis. Understanding networking concepts is also vital, as ethical hackers often need to analyze network traffic, identify vulnerabilities, and exploit them. Knowledge of protocols, ports, and network architecture is essential for diagnosing and addressing security issues. Furthermore, familiarity with anonymity tools and cryptography is essential for ethical hackers to protect their identity and data while operating online. Encryption techniques help secure communications and data, making it harder for malicious actors to intercept or tamper with information. Ethical hacking is a constantly evolving field, requiring individuals to be adaptable, resourceful, and committed to continuous learning. Staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques is crucial for maintaining an edge in cybersecurity. This commitment to learning ensures that ethical hackers can effectively protect systems and data from emerging threats. Section 8. Parrot OS versus Kali Linux, a head-to-head comparison. Kali Linux is often considered the go-to OS for ethical hacking. However, Parrot OS presents a compelling alternative, surpassing Kali in several areas. While Kali offers a vast toolset, Parrot OS provides an even more extensive collection, catering to a wider range of hacking needs. Parrot OS's user-friendly interface and customizability options make it more accessible for beginners and more efficient for experienced users. Its lightweight nature ensures smoother performance, even on older hardware. While Kali remains a popular choice, Parrot OS's focus on user experience, performance, and a comprehensive toolset makes it a superior option for ethical hackers. Section 9. Embracing the Parrot, a call to exploration. In conclusion, Parrot OS has emerged from the shadows to become a formidable force in ethical hacking. Its extensive toolset, user-friendly interface, impressive performance, and strong community support make it a compelling alternative to the well-established Kali Linux. For those seeking to delve into the world of ethical hacking, Parrot OS offers a powerful and accessible platform to begin their journey. Its comprehensive features and intuitive design cater to both beginners and experienced professionals alike. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, so too will the tools and techniques used by ethical hackers. Embrace the Parrot, explore its capabilities, and join the growing community of security professionals who rely on it to safeguard our digital world.